Hi, everybody. This is Julie. I've had a couple questions about the child assignment number one, so I thought I would give you a really quick video to overview what you're doing. So the purpose of the assignments, all the assignments, are to help you describe the development of children in physical, social, emotional, and cognitive domains. And so you can look at the skills and the knowledge that you need here. The task is that you will answer questions about a child's physical, cognitive, and social emotional development. Be sure to clearly connect your answers to the textbook and cite your ideas in APA format. So the example here is what the child does. So it describes for you something that Susanna, who is actually a school-age child, is doing, but it gives you, a couple sentences or in a couple of questions. There's short videos, so you read what the child is doing, what general developmental area is being practiced here. So you need to choose either physical, cognitive, or social emotional. And in this example, it's cognitive. And use your textbook, explain the child's specific developmental skill using a clear connection to the textbook. So the answer is to explain Susanna's skills. We need to look at Piaget's cognitive theory, and I gave a quote, a direct quote, so I need to cite the authors, the date, and the page number um, from my quote. And then I'm giving a little bit about what I understand about this, which as a student is she's able to use conservation and operations to explain a phenomenon. So what you're doing is just simply looking at what the child does and connecting it to your textbook and giving, a sentence or two in your own words that explains how you understand this um, developmental skill that we're asking you to look at. So for each one, you can just download this piece of this document directly under your computer. You're going to watch a short video clip and clearly identify what the child is doing in objective language. No opinions, just a short factual description. So that's maybe, 2 to 3 sentences. You're going to decide what general developmental area is being practiced, and then using your textbook, explain the child's specific developmental skill that you looked at up here using a clear connection to the textbook, include the page number. So again, you're just going to go to your textbook, you're going to find the part of the textbook that explains what's happening in this video, and you're going to give me a couple sentences in your own words that shows that you understand what that concept is, and then you're going to have a clear connection quote to the textbook. So this is not an essay, you're just answering the specific questions that we're asking you to answer. So number one, number two, number three, four, five, six, you are just you can, like I said, just download this and type directly onto this. If you want to look at the criteria for success, make sure to read the rubric and make sure that you have all of these rubric points met to get the grade that you want. If you have any more specific questions, please let me know.